nakapagbayad na po ng visa fee. And after that, you need to download the checklist. Ida-download po natin yan. And importantly po, click this one, provide documents and biometric. Kasi kahit maipasa nyo po online, magbayad kayo ng visa fee online, if you don't book your biometric, hindi po kayo nag-attend ng biometric enrollment and upload your documents online through VFS, hindi po successful ang inyong application. Ayan, and dito po sa may yellow na ito, download a copy of your application form if you want to have the hard copy as your reference. Mag-provide na tayo ng ating biometrics. So, i-click lang po natin ito. I will show you guys the step-by-steps. Mababasa natin, provide your biometric. Your biometric may not be successful unless you complete all mandatory action on the previous page. You must return to your application if there are incomplete mandatory actions, and isa na nga po is yung inyong biometric, and upload your documents. So click po natin yung na continue na to. Welcome to VFS Global. We are an official partner of UK Visas and Immigration. Scroll down natin siya. So, VFS Global is offering many additional services. So, hindi kayo guys mahihirapan. Kung natatakot kayo, kinakabahan, you don't know what to do, don't worry po. Kasi sa VFS, they have so many services like assistance, they are offering that. You just need to make additional payment for that. So, ito po yung mga types of appointment na available po sa VFS. So, they have assisted biometric enrollment. They have also premium appointment, prime time service appointment, on-demand mobile visa appointment. So, by the way, guys, if you have enough time, you can read all of this kung para saan ba to and kung ano-ano yung mga pagkakaiba-iba nila, because I don't want to make this vlog too long for you guys kasi boring yung masyadong mahabang vlog. So, let's move on. So, types of visa submission. So, meron po tayong individual appointment. Meron din po tayong group appointment up to 5 customer. And group appointment po, more than 5 customers. So, kung pamilya kayo, pwede kayo mag-group appointment. Kung mag-isa ka lang, individual appointment. Optional paid services. So, ito yung sinasabi ko guys, like document upload assistance. Kasi, you need to upload all your documents. So, it's either you will going to upload it by yourself or through VFS assistant. So, yung agent ng VFS ang mag-upload. But, take note guys, you cannot upload your documents at home. Allowed lang po mag-upload ng document in VFS Global Visa Center. So, kung gusto nyo po mag-upload mismo na kayo mismo, hindi kayo magpapa-assist doon sa agent ng VFS, mag-self-upload po kayo gamit yung machine po doon ng VFS Global. Tapos, kung hindi po kayo marunong mag-upload ng sarili nyo pong document, so magpapa-assist po kayo. So, may additional bayad po iyon. So, are you ready to book your appointment? So, automatic guys, yung mga details po natin doon sa ating uk.gov account, kung saan po tayo gumawa ng online visa application, mag-a-appear po siya dito mismo. So, mag-a-appear dito yung iyong GWF number and group size. For example, individual ka, isang tao ka lang. Your email address na ginamit po. And you need to choose your location. So, we just have Cebu, Manila, and Manila Shangri-La. Guys, kung gusto nyo pong makamura, mag-Manila po kayo standard. Itong Cebu guys, na premium po, and Manila Shangri-La, this is for rich people. So, mahal po ito. At dahil ordinary person lang tayo, I will choose Manila. Let's go. As of now, ito po ang available. Guys, maraming nalilito sa calendar na to. So, magbabasa kayo ng mabuti. Lalo na pa nagmamadali kayo kasi naghahabol kayo ng slot. Makikita nyo guys, itong mga naka-green na yan, these are available, but don't click until you don't read anything what are this. 5 p.m. available siya. April 14, Pero prime time, makikita mo yung price, 3,400 pesos. And dito naman sa flexi appointment, makikita mo yan, 6,685 pesos. So may client ako guys before, siya yung nag-book ng appointment niya, ang binayaran niya is about 10,000 pesos. Sabi ko, bakit inabot ka ng 10,000 pesos? And sabi niya, ma'am, I booked the earliest appointment and may nakita ako kliniko lang and nagulat din ako, I need to pay more than 10,000 pesos. Nung tinignan ko, ang naklik niya pala is flexi appointment. For example, this one, April 14. So dito kayo guys, kung gusto niyo makamura, standard assisted. Yan. And makikita nyo guys, free. Wala kayong mabayaran. Unless na lang po kung meron kayong mga additional services na i-add or i-avail po sa VFS Global. So, ito po ang aking pipiliin. So, April 14, wala na pong appointment slot. Book this one 4 p.m. Guys, pinipili ko yung mga appointment na panghapon kasi mga pang-umaga, ang daming hindi nakaka-attend ng appointment because of the traffic. Ayan. And kapag hindi nyo po nabutan yung appointment po ninyo, the VFS Global will refuse to accommodate you. Ang mangyayari, mag-o-offer sila ng mga premium appointment, which is yun na nga, yung sinasabi ko na magbabayad ka ng mahal just to accommodate you. Kaya naman, sa mga client ko guys, ang dami ko ng client na hindi naka-attend kapag mga morning session, inaabot ng mga traffic, kung ano-ano pa mga dahilan. So, this time, nagbubook ako guys ng mga panghapon na. Para sabi ko, they have a lot of time makapag-prepare sa biyahe nila. Because sa Pilipinas, alam natin na sobrang traffic. And yung mga client guys na galing pang probinsya, Mindanao, Cebu, first time sa Manila, itong mga taxi driver, iniikot-ikot sila para lang mapamahal yung bayad nila. Move on kasi ang dami kong i-explain in this section. In this section naman, ito yung mga additional services na ino-offer po ng VFS. So for example, document self-upload. So sabi ko nga, i-upload po yung mga documents po ninyo. So ito, sabi dito, upload digital copies of your supporting documents using our easy-to-use self-upload option. So kapag ito yung clinic nyo guys, wala po kayong babayaran. Free po yan. Pero, ang disadvantage po nito is self-upload. So, pupunta kayo ng VFS, kayo po ang mag-upload ng sarili nyo pong documents. So, meaning po, sometimes it cost na yung mga hindi marunong gumamit ng machine, akala nila na-input nila or na-upload na yung kanilang mga documents and they already click submitted. Nawala naman mga naka-attach na documents. But the other one is document upload assistance. Ito naman guys, maganda to for my thinking ha. Kasi sure mo talaga na naka-upload yung documents mo. Lalo na if this is your first time applying for UK visa application and hindi ka naman marunong dito sa mga tinatawag na self-upload machine. Ayan, so pwede mo po itong i-avail. So kapag clinic mo po ito, gaya nito, magbabayad ka ng 1,538 pesos, but it's okay. Yung VFS agent po doon will help with preparing, sorting, and arranging your supporting documents for your visa application. Itong section na to guys, ito yung wala dito sa self-upload. Meaning, ikaw lang ang kusang mag-a-arrange. Kung mali-mali yung pagkaka-arrange mo, kung hindi nagkakasunod-sunod, naghalo-halo, edi may hilo sa'yo yung consul. Edi ang ending noon, denied ka kasi hindi nila naintindihan yung mga documents mo. So, kung hindi tayo confident masyado sa ating knowledge, kung hindi kayo guys sure kung talagang kaya nyo dito sa self-upload for free para makamura, then take this, okay? 1,538 pesos. And if you would like your passport to be returned to your home or office, please choose one of the following paid services. isa sa mga choices nila is to keep your passport while applying. Ang bayad is 3,500 pesos. So, Courier Return Plus, ayan. So, mas safe daw ito. Wow, 1,470. I will not choose this. Okay, Courier Return. Ito yung guys, yung standard, yung ordinary, but it's already around 1,150 pesos. And passport collection outside hours, pick up. Yung kapag na-receive mo na yung email ng kung ano yung result ng visa application mo, you can go sa VFS para kunin yung passport mo. So, I will choose this for my client. Ipipick up niya na lang kasi medyo gahol na kami sa oras, guys. Kasi yung delivery, it takes 1 week pa bago makarating sa'yo kasi i-dispose pa yan, i-arrange pa yan ng courier, and kung mabagal yung nag-delivery, more than 1 week. So, sayang sa oras. Ayan. So, ito lang guys. Ayan. So, I choose document upload assistance and passport collection. So, kung gusto nyo ng delivery, then choose courier return. Ayan, and magpi-payment na ako guys. So, after that, ito yung akin total, 1,958. And I will click continue. So, ito na, magbabayad na. Click nyo lang ito guys, ng dalawang button na ito dito, dalawang small square. And basahin po natin itong mga payment disclaimer na to, payment confirmation, successful payment, and mga tips. Ayan, but by the way guys, huwag niyong habaan yung pagbabasa ninyo kasi maabutan kayo ng time limit ng VFS. Magko-close po itong website. Ayan, so bilisan natin. And pay online. Ito na guys, dinadirect na po ako sa payment method. And dito naman, hindi na siya masyadong stressful kasi pwede na magbayad ng GCash, GrabPay, ShopeePay, credit card. So, marami na tong mode of payment na pagpipilian. Unlike doon sa pagbabayad ng visa fee na credit card lang talaga. So, minsan may mga nakikisuyo sa akin sa credit card, magpapabayad ng UK visa application fee kasi wala silang credit card. So, I will choose GCash. Ayan. So, guys, I will cut my vlog kasi hindi ko pwedeng ipakita yung aking GCash details dito. But, of course, I will show you guys yung outcome, yung appointment confirmation. So, nakapagbayad na ako, guys. Ito, balik tayo dito. So, you have successfully booked the appointment. Thank you for choosing our services. We've sent you a confirmation email with your appointment details and a receipt for your payment. So, to download, click here, guys, because I want to have a copy of this. And just save it. Ayan, na-save ko na siya. And how would you rate us? So, yes lang natin to. And here. Yes, and then submit. Okay, your feedback has been submitted successfully. Thank you. And here are the example details of the appointment. So, upcoming appointment date, April 21, 2025. So, dito pupunta Manila. Kung wala kayong natatanggap na confirmation of your appointment sa email po ninyo, you can download your appointment po sa inyong VFS Global account dito. Ayan, so wag kayong mag-alala guys kung wala kayong nare-receive sa email kasi this is the example of the appointment confirmation letter. So you need to print this and bring with you on the day of your appointment. So kung wala ka nito, VFS Global will not accommodate you. Or kahit sa gate, guys, hindi ka papapasukin ng guard. So, you don't forget to print this one. And dito po kayo pupunta sa address na to, guys. So, wag kayong maliligaw. And if you are planning to apply for your visa application, you don't know the first step that you should do. So, hindi ka sigurado sa mga gagawin mo because it's your first time or na-refuse ka na before and you want to try it again. And that is for today's vlog. If you have additional inquiries, so write down your comment below. And if you need assistance, guys, ito yung aking contact. Ayan, this is the WhatsApp. And this one is my Facebook page. And my email address. Guys, thank you so much and see you in my next vlog.